Welcome students for the session of Geography, Chapter 5 Industries, Session 2. This session is question answer session as said in the earlier session. So let's get started with the session. Question first. Answer the following question. The first question is, what is meant by the term industry? Answer. Industry refers to an economic activity involving production of goods like iron and steel industry, extraction of minerals like coal mining industry, and the provision of services like tourism industry. Second question. Which are the main factors which influence the location of an industry? Several factors which influence the location of an industry include availability of raw material, availability of land, supply of water, availability of labor, access of power, transport facilities, provision of capital, presence of market. Third question. Which industry is often referred to as the backbone of modern industry and why? Answer. The iron and steel industry is called the backbone of the modern industry. This is because almost everything we need, everything we use is either made of iron or steel or has been made with the tools and machinery of these metals. This industry is basically the feeder industry whose products are the raw materials for other industries. Question 4. Why has the cotton textile industry rapidly expanded in Mumbai? Answer. The cotton textile industry rapidly expanded in Mumbai due to the following favorable factors: warm and moist climate, availability of the port for importing of machinery, availability of raw material, availability of skilled labor. Question second. Tick the correct answer. For Gloucester is located in California. Fort Gloucester is located in California. Which one of the following is a natural fiber? Jute. Distinguish between the following: agro-based and mineral-based industry. Agro-based and mineral-based. These industries use plant and animal-based products as raw material. Whereas mineral-based industries, these industries use mineral ores as raw material. Second, these industries provide employment mainly to people in rural area. As well as second, mineral based industries provide employment to people rural as well as urban area. Third, examples include food processing, cotton textile industry, dairy products, etc. Example of mineral based industries include iron and steel industry. Public sector and joint sector industry. In public sector, industry is owned and operated by the government are called public industry. In joint sector, industries are owned and operated by the state and individual or a group of industries are called joint sector industries. Example of public sector industry is Steel Authority of India Limited and Hindustan Aeronautic Limited. Example for joint sector industries: Maruti Udyog Limited. Fourth, give two examples of the following in the space provided: raw material, steel and cotton; end products, shirt and car; territory activities, transport and banking; agro-based industries, dairy and leather industry; cottage industries, pottery and basket weaving; cooperative, Anand Milk Union Limited, that is Amul; and Mother Dairy. This is where we end the question answer session of the 5th chapter of Geography Industries. So I hope you have understood the chapter in the last session, read the textbook as per the instruction written on the dictations. I will again instruct you to write down the question answers in your notebook so that it will be very easy for you to recite the question answers during exams. So till then, bye and take care.